Ketchup, a staple condiment enjoyed worldwide, has an unexpected history as a medicinal product. Its origins can be traced back to the 17th century when the term ketchup referred to a fermented fish sauce used in Southeast Asia, particularly by the Chinese and Malay. This early version, known as ketchup, was a tangy, savory condiment made from fermented ingredients. In the 18th century, ketchup made its way to Europe, where it evolved significantly. British colonists began to experiment with the recipe, replacing fish with ingredients like mushrooms, walnuts, and even anchovies. By the 19th century, the tomato-based ketchup we recognize today began to take form. As tomatoes became more widely cultivated in America, they were incorporated into various sauces. The transformation of ketchup into a medicinal product can be attributed to the 1830s when Dr. John Cook Bennett, a physician, published a recipe for tomato ketchup in a medical journal. Bennett claimed that tomato ketchup had numerous health benefits, including the ability to cure ailments like indigestion and jaundice. He promoted it as a remedy and even sold it in pill form, highlighting the tomato's supposed medicinal properties. The popularity of ketchup as medicine continued to grow, particularly in the United States. By the late 19th century, manufacturers began to capitalize on its newfound reputation. The introduction of commercially produced ketchup by companies like Heinz helped solidify its place in American kitchens, but it was still often marketed with references to its health benefits. Advertisements touted ketchup's nutritional value, claiming it contained vitamins and minerals that could boost health. However, the medicinal claims surrounding ketchup began to wane as the 20th century progressed. Advances in medical science and a better understanding of nutrition led to a decline in the perception of ketchup as a health product. Instead, it became primarily a condiment, a flavor enhancer for burgers, fries, and hot dogs, enjoying immense popularity in fast food culture. Today, while ketchup is no longer regarded as a medicine, its journey from a fermented fish sauce to a beloved condiment reflects the fascinating interplay between food, culture, and health beliefs throughout history. The transformation of ketchup serves as a reminder of how societal views on nutrition and health can evolve over time, reshaping even the most familiar items on our dining tables.